This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by William Cannon. 4-bedroom 2-bath pool home in Windermere. Recently renovated, with beautiful travertine throughout the house. Bedrooms have new carpet. Master has genuine wood floors. Open floor plan with great room, kitchen living room combo. Kitchen cabinets have tons of room for storage and a breakfast bar and an island. Freshly painted interior. Huge screen porch runs the length of the house. Nice in-ground pool and fully fenced backyard for optimum privacy. Large master bedroom and walk-in closet. Additional bedrooms are good-sized. Tasteful light fixtures and fans throughout. Inside laundry room. Property is professionally managed and the rent includes pool and lawn maintenance. All appliances are included, including washer-dryer. This one you need to see to appreciate. Hurry, it will not last. Property is currently occupied, so please respect their privacy and do not disturb them. Contact your realtor or the listing agent to schedule showing. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cannon at 954-693-0100.